Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today we're going to be building another freight car here, and we're going to be building this modern GATX blue boxcar. And this is what it looks like here, so let's get right into it. French Fried Trains is a channel for adult rail fans and Minecrafters, and is not intended for children under 13 years of age. This is a fan channel for fun. We are not affiliated in any way with Microsoft or Mojang. This is not an official Minecraft product. And as a friendly reminder, I do not take requests at all. Thank you and enjoy the video. So as usual, we'll start off with the coupler, so take out a dark oak stair and attach that up on the second layer in the middle. Under it, a sideways dark oak vent skate. Then, on the next block forward on bottom, we're going to put a netherite wheel on each rail with an end rod axle in between them. Then put an upside down polished deep slate stair going backwards on the side of each wheel. Then in front of this, we're going to go 5 wide of upside down polished deep slate stairs in a back to back T-shaped pattern like this. Then behind this, another set of netherite wheels on each rail with an end rod axle. Then we'll put an upside down forward facing stair on this wheel and this wheel. On the side, we're going to put a wither skeleton skull on each corner and 2 dark oak vent skates on the middle. And repeat that on this side of the truck as well. Then we'll go in front of this on bottom with warp slabs. And we're going to do a line of top slabs down the bottom middle, and we're going to make that 21 blocks long in total. 21. Then once you have that right behind the slabs, we'll do the other truck. So put a netherite wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. Upside down stair going this way on the side of each wheel. Then again, we're going to go 5 wide of upside down stairs in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern like this. Then behind this, 1 more set of netherite wheels on each rail with an end rod axle. And an upside down stair going this way on each of these wheels. Then again on the sides, put a wither skeleton skull on each corner and 2 vent skates on the middle on either side of the truck. Then behind this on the bottom middle, a single sideways dark oak vent skate in the center. And then we're going to come back here. And we're going to turn around and stand up here. And coming off the wheel on this side, we're going to do a line of 10 sideways chains on the bottom above the rail. Then, right here, put 3 sideways grindstones here. And behind the grindstones, just do a full row of sideways chains again on bottom above the rail. And bring it right down to the wheel on this other end. Then we're going to go on top with lapis lazuli, right behind this coupler. And we're going to go 3 wide on the top middle with our lapis lazuli blocks. And we're just going to bring this all the way across the top middle on the second layer. And we'll come right down to where these netherite wheels are. Then come up here, turn around and crouch, and put a dark oak stair for the coupler on this end above this fence gate in the center here. Then on this top corner, we're going to do 5 warp trapdoors here and 5 on this side. Then come to this end and do the same thing. So start on this corner, do 5 warp trapdoors here, 5 on this side. Then next to the trapdoors, just do a full row of warp slabs all the way across this top. And same thing over here, a full row of top slabs all the way across the top of this side as well. And that makes the base. Then we're going to go on top of the end, 1 block in from this edge, and right here, we're going to do a 5 by 5 of lapis lazuli blocks coming up like this, 1 block in from the end. Repeat on this side, so 1 block in from the end down here, do a 5 by 5 of lapis lazuli blocks, 1 block in right here. Then down here, we're going to put 5 right side up warp stairs, and above it 5 upside down. Then 5 right side up, then 5 upside down, and on top 5 upside down smooth quartz stairs here. Then right here, close a jungle trap door for the brake wheel. On this corner, put 2 warp fence gates here. Come around the corner and put 2 here. Repeat on this side, so do 2 here. Around the corner, 2 here. Then we'll do the other end, so come down here. And again down here, we're gonna put 5 right side up warp stairs. Then 5 upside down warp stairs. Then 5 right side up, 5 upside down. And on top, 5 upside down smooth quartz stairs. Then come down on this corner, put 2 warp fence gates here. Go around the corner, 2 here. Then we'll repeat on this other side. So we'll do 2 right here, and around the corner, 2 right here. Then we're gonna go on this bottom outer edge above these trapdoors and do a line of 9 lapis lazuli blocks right here, and 9 on this side. Repeat for the other end, do 9 lapis lazuli from this end, and 9 on this side. And then we're just gonna raise those 9 blocks all the way up to the top, so they're all 5 blocks tall and 9 blocks long to make the walls of the car, all with lapis lazuli. And repeat on this side here. And then of course we're gonna do the other side. So raise these 9 blocks all the way up to the top, 5 blocks tall with lapis lazuli. And then 9 on this side as well. Then we'll do the doors. So right here, we're gonna do a column of inward facing warp stairs, 5 blocks tall here and here. Then turn around in an inward facing column of stairs here and here. Then on either side, we're gonna do 2 outward facing columns of warp stairs on either side. And then in the center, just a column of lapis lazuli like this. Repeat over here, so 2 outward facing stairs and a column here, and 2 columns here, and a column of lapis lazuli in the middle. Then we'll come up top, right here, and just fill this whole top in, 3 wide in the center with our lapis lazuli blocks, and bring it all the way down to the other end to make the roof so it is all enclosed here, just like that. Now we're going to detail the door. So right here, we're going to start here, and we're going to do a column of 5 iron bars coming up right here, and then 5 right here. On the middle of the door, put 2 warp fence gates like this and a column here. Repeat on this side, so 2 warp fence gates right here in the middle, and then right here, we're going to do a column of 5 iron bars. And then over on this side, 5 iron bars right here. Now we'll detail the top. So we're gonna come on top on one end, right here on these stairs, do 5 iron trapdoors. Skip 1 and 5, skip 1 and 5, skip 1 and 5, and just repeat this pattern all the way down the top of the car, with 5 iron trapdoors going sideways and a block of space between each row of trapdoors. And we're gonna carry that down to this end, and it should line up on these smooth quartz stairs here. Then we're gonna go back through, and in between each row of iron trapdoors, we're gonna put white carpet. You could also use light gray carpet if you want. It was kind of hard to tell in the picture if it was white or a light gray color. And just do that in all of these gaps between the trapdoors to this other end. Then we're gonna detail the side. So we're gonna take out blue stained glass panes. We're gonna come right next to the door here, do a column of 5 stained glass panes, skip 1 and 5, skip 1 and 5, skip 1 and 5, skip 1 and 5. So there's a gap of space between each column of stained glass panes. Then come to this side next to the door and repeat the process for this end with a column of 5 stained glass panes and a gap of space between each column, just for some 3-dimensional detail here. And we of course have to do the same thing on this side. So start next to the door, 5 stained glass panes here, skip 1 and 5, skip 1 and 5, skip 1 and 5, skip 1 and 5. Repeat on this side, so right next to the door, 5 stained glass panes, Same thing, a gap of space between each column of 5 till you get right here, just like that. Now we're going to do more detailing, so we're going to take out a bamboo sign, and we're going to put one on bottom in between each of these rows of stained glass panes, so there's 5 like this every other block. And repeat on this end here. And then we need to do the other side, so bring your bamboo signs over here, and same thing. On bottom of each one, between each row of stained glass panes, put a bamboo sign. And repeat down here as well. Then we're going to do more detailing, so we're going to take birch buttons now. We're going to put one here and here. Then up here, 2 birch signs like this. 2 here, 1 here, and then a birch button down here to represent all the lettering. And we repeat on this side, so come to the left-hand side of the car over here. Put a birch button here and here. 2 birch signs here, 2 here, 1 here, and a button down here. Then there's some detailing on the door as well, so take your birch sign again. Up here, we're going to put 1 sign here, and 1 next to this fence gate right here. And repeat on this side, we're going to put 1 sign up here, and 1 next to this fence gate. Then we're going to come down on this right-hand corner with birch buttons, put 2 here, 2 here. And repeat on this side, so come to this right-hand corner, and put 2 here, 2 here. Now we're going into a loom with a blue banner and white dye. We're going to put a vertical on the right, go to blue dye, make the top half blue. Go back to white dye, put a vertical on the left, horizontal on top and bottom. New banner, vertical on the left and right, horizontal on the middle and the top. New banner, horizontal on top, vertical in the center. New banner, a diagonal, then the opposite diagonal. Then go to blue dye and put a blue border around all 4 of these letter banners here. And then we'll come place it. So we're going to go up on top of the car on this right hand side and in between the stained glass panes. Start on top right here. And we're going to use the banners up here to put GATX between the stained glass panes. And we of course have to repeat over here. So come over here, start right here, and use the banners up here to put GATX again. Now, we're going to go back into a loom, this time with a black banner and white dye. We're going to put a white border on it, then a horizontal line in the middle. Then we'll place these, so we're going to take an item frame, put an item frame here, and put this black and white banner on it. And of course, repeat for the other end. So go right here, put an item frame right here with that banner right there. And now our detailing's done. So there we have it, folks. We finally completed our modern GATX Boxcar. I hope everyone enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.